Bismillahir-Rahman-ir-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today we will learn how Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala created the first man. Long, long ago, Allah created the beautiful universe full of galaxies, planets, the moon, and stars, all moving in harmony, all glorifying and praising Him. When Allah decided to create a human being, He collected every kind of soil and mixed it like a potter's clay. Molding it into the shape of a man, Allah breathed His spirit into it. In this way He gave life to the first man, the father of all of us. Allah named him Adam. Today, people may all be of different colors, shapes and sizes, speaking different languages and living in different places, but they all have the same ancestor. The first man, Adam, Allah made him the first prophet to guide people. Allah bestowed many gifts upon Adam. He gave him the gift of sight so that he might marvel at the creation of Allah, and the sense of hearing, smell, taste, and touch to help him understand the universe around him. Apart from all these blessings, Allah gave him the intelligence to be able to tell what was right and what was wrong, and made him capable of doing good works. With this, Allah gave him knowledge and wisdom and put him above the angels. Allah also created the first woman, Hawa, as a helper and loving companion of Adam. He told the couple to live in the garden of paradise, but warned them not to approach a particular tree. Both of them began living there in perfect peace and happiness, with dazzling beauty all around them. But Satan was jealous of them, seeing the honor they received from Allah. So one day he came to Adam and his wife and whispered to them, tempting them to approach the forbidden tree. He told them that it was the tree of eternal life, and that if they ate from it, they would never grow old, nor would they ever die. Satan made them believe that he was giving them very friendly advice, so they ate from the tree and became wrongdoers. But no sooner had they done so than they realized their fault and immediately turned towards Allah to say how sorry they were. Allah forgave them both, but told them that since they had defied His orders, they would have to leave the gardens of paradise and go down to earth. There Adam and Hawa found themselves all alone, for no one else was living on the earth at that time. Allah told them that from time to time His messengers and prophets would be coming to the earth to guide people to the true path. The story of the Prophet Adam teaches us that we all have been created by Allah, and that therefore we are all equal. We should then respect each and every human being and never look down on others or insult people. After all, we are all the children of one forefather, the Prophet Adam. I hope you like this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. See you next time. Allah Hafiz.